Excuse me, can you tell me where the ATG is?
The what?
The ATG, the automatic tank gauge. The thing you get your gas readings from?
Ah, the annoying machine in the back that's always beeping? Follow me.
Did that sound familiar? That's an automatic tank gauge alarm. All too often, those beeps are silenced or ignored, even when remote tank monitoring systems are in place. If you're a UST owner, this has to scare you. What if a really important alarm is getting lost in all that noise? Finding the alarms that matter is like finding a needle in a haystack. Unfortunately, that's how you've had to manage tank alarms, thanks to antiquated remote monitoring technology. And this, of course, creates risk, cost, and horror stories of undetected leaks. Fortunately, there is another way. You could plug a Canary into your ATG and let its super smart software sift through your alarms to find the issues that matter. That's what Canary does. Over the course of 2 months, at 700 gas stations, Canary software consolidated over 30,000 unique ATG alarms into 2,000 actionable issues. That's a 93% reduction. Reliable risk detection. Like a canary in a coal mine. I'm sure he'll find that needle. We'll take it from here.